Hi, I'm Giancarlo Sandoval, and this is CommunityOps Agent, an AI operations agent for tech communities. Communities like Flutter Piura face a common challenge. Organizing a meetup is not just creating an event. You need to coordinate speakers, sponsors, attendees, budgets, coffee breaks, certificates, operational tasks, and communication. CommunityOps Agent uses Gemini to transform a high-level goal into a real operational plan with MongoDB Atlas as memory and persistence. Now, I'll ask the agent to organize a Flutter Piura meetup for 80 people about Flutter and artificial intelligence, including 2 talks, a coffee break, and certificates. Before execution, you can see a real MongoDB Atlas database with collections such as agent runs, approvals, events, tasks, messages, and risks. The backend is deployed on Google Cloud Run. Back in the application, the agent starts reasoning. It does not simply generate text. It interprets the goal, analyzes operational context, prepares actions, and waits for human approval before writing sensitive data. Here we can see the event plan generated by Gemini, including the meetup details, readiness score, operational agenda, tasks, risk analysis, and draft messages for sponsors, speakers, and attendees. The dashboard also shows the execution status, synchronization with MongoDB, and the run ID for this session. A key aspect is human supervision. The agent does not execute important changes automatically. Instead, it asks for approval before persisting data. Now I approve the execution. After approval, the backend synchronizes the generated information into MongoDB Atlas. This is not just a visual simulation. Real collections and documents are created and updated in the database, giving the community operational memory for future events. CommunityOps Agent demonstrates how AI agents can go beyond chatbots by understanding a mission, planning actions, waiting for human approval, and persisting operational knowledge. The first use case is Flutter Piura, but the same workflow can support developer communities, universities, boot camps, and local organizations. Thank you.